Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I am very glad to be here today in this pleasant evening. This is Sanor, my ID number 0777. Today I am discussing about environment of English fantasy. English fantasy and English learning institution. The institution is located Mohammadpur in Dhaka. The owner of this institution, MD Rajan sir, he is the owner and teacher of the English fantasy. I came to know about English fantasy by Facebook. Then I took admission in this center for improving my skill, and I am very active to IELTS exam very soon. However, there are 10 classroom, 1 office room, 1 a big library, living room. There are air condition for every classes. It is a friendly institution where everyone can be learn English. I love this learning environment. There are many great teachers in this institution. Every teacher motivated us to learn English properly. Finally, I say to that is one of the best institutions in the Bangladesh. Allah can extend this institution for stay happy and stay hungry for learning. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening patiently.